No i moi drodzy, cyk, The Walking Dead, ostatni epizod. Bardzo smutna okazja, sytuacja. Minuta ciszy. Epizody kolejne nawet z datami. Niestety nigdy się już nie pojawią. Przynajmniej wedle tego, co wiadomo na razie. Także no, przykro i smutno, ale no nic, grajmy.
Previously on The Walking Dead, AJ and I had been searching for a long time for some place we could call home. Just when we thought we'd found a huge stash of food, it turned out to be a trap. That could have been the end. But I woke up and found I'd been saved by a guy named Marlon, the leader of a community living inside an old boarding school. It felt like a chance at having a home, a real one. We had to go back to the train station to see if any food survived the explosion. But someone else had the same idea. When AJ distracted him, I shoved him into a pack of walkers. I found Marlon and Brody in the basement that night, arguing about the man we'd seen, and I learned why Brody was so afraid. The man was part of a group of raiders they'd run into a year ago. Marlon traded Tennessee's older sisters to the raiders to keep himself safe. He attacked Brody and locked me in the basement with her. When she turned, I had to stop her. Marlon stole AJ's gun and tried to convince them I had murdered Brody. Violet backed me up. I attacked Marlon and made him drop the gun. I was going to lock him in the basement, but then Marlon was dead, and AJ pulled the trigger. He remembered what I'd taught him. To save the last bullet for himself.
Tak było, moi drodzy. No, Pawlos, masz rację i tak pewnie niestety będzie. Bo to przecież nie jest epizod przygotowany po tym, jak już wiedzieli, że nic z tego nie będzie. Że to po prostu będzie niedokończona historia. No chyba, że ktoś się weźmie za jej dokończenie, ale wątpię. Ładuje gra. Tak, coś takiego się dzieje, jak się ta gra ładuje, że na OBS-ie są dwie klatki. Nie mam pojęcia, co się wtedy dzieje. Coś dziwnego w każdym razie. Nie no, teraz jest okej, mówię, jak się ładuje.
Made you some coffee. It was in the kitchen. Tin said that I can have some. I didn't steal it.
Pewnie mi wtedy wykorzystują kartę do kopania kryptowalut. Na stówę.
I'm surprised you remember how to make it. We haven't had coffee in a long time.
You put it in hot water.
You're right. Thanks.
Last night, with Marlon, I heard Lewis and what he called me. Am I a murderer?
No! Oh Oh my god!
Shit! We could get medicine from the nurse's office.
He's dead. The kid blew his brains out. You shot him. He's dead. You're a murderer. Marlon, he was down. You had him beat. What the fuck did you teach this kid?
Lewis called me a murderer. But we're supposed to kill bad stuff. Monsters. Did I do it bad? I thought Marlon was bad. He killed Brody. He kept telling
Bardzo
lies.
dobrze, że je zrobił.
Look, you did the right thing. The only thing you could do. Marlon was a monster. Lewis doesn't understand that, but he will. You were justified.
I was justified. What are we gonna do?
Back off, all of you!
You talked Marlon down, and then they fucking murdered him!
Take AJ, go inside.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, just let them go back to the dorms? What happens the next time one of us does something this kid doesn't like? Should we expect a bullet too?
That's not what happened.
It's exactly what happened. It was over.
Głupcze.
The little Mr. Trigger Happy decided otherwise.
Marlon started this! He killed Brody and almost got me too! AJ did what he had to do!
What, he had to? He didn't have to shoot Marlon in the fucking skull. It was over.
We get it, Lewis. Just back off, okay?
Back off? Seriously?
Let's go.
Clem? They better not call me a monster. They were scared of me, even though Marlon was the bad guy. I'm not scary. I didn't act like a monster. I stopped a monster.
A, dobra.
I know you're not. We just need to prove it to them.
I'll tell them they're wrong. They'll know when someone explains it to them. Like you explain things to me.
AJ, come sit with me. We've
Ty
got nothing
mały
to apologize for.
zwyrolu.
You saved me and them from a monster. They'll see that. We'll make them.
For God's sake, someone help me with this!
Saved you from that car wreck, and you fucking murdered him?
Get back, Mitch!
Get back.
Or what?
Ty!
You gonna let him kill me too? Then
Dobra. No i co?
Screw both of you.
Micz znicz? No!
Hey, what is it?
You've killed a lot of people. Did you kill your friend Lee because he was a monster?
What brought that on?
Was it murder when you shot him?
Nie.
I killed him because I loved him. I didn't want him to suffer.
How? He'd be dead.
He would have turned. I didn't want that for him. He deserved better.
Lee.
I love you, Clem.
I love you back.
Hey. Violet said to come get you for the funeral.
Really?
We used to have them more. Then we stopped. It seems right, though. I brought you something.
For me?
I figured you'd be afraid, with everyone all upset. But you were brave last night. Like a firefighter.
Firefighter.
What are those?
Drawings for Marlon and Brody. It's of stuff they wanted. I'm going to put them on their graves.
They don't need them. They're dead. They're not gonna get that stuff.
That's not why you do it.
It's a sweet idea, Ten. They'll look really nice on the graves.
Thank you. Have fun with your firefighter, okay?
Can we play with them later?
Sure. After the funeral. They buried them already. Vile'll start it soon. See you out there.
This is gonna suck. They're gonna say a lot of things about Marlon and Brody. Some true, some not. Let's just get through it without upsetting everybody, okay?
Okay, I'll try.
Shit.
Hey AJ, where's that toy Ten just gave you? Let's show it off with the rest of our stuff.
I like all our stuff.
Coffee. La 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 li la la.
Time to go?
Soon.
Or later. Na 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 ni na na. Powiem wam, że ten sezon, znaczy ten sezon zapowiadał się jako jeden z lepszych od ostatniego, od pierwszego. I to tak...
Ready?
Jak można po prostu tego nie dokończyć? Jak? To jest zbrodnia. AJ is shaped by what you teach him. Kasa proste. Co kasa? Raczej brak kasy. A to ta fana tak łopoce.
Anything else?
Dobra, no idziemy, no już pochowian pogrzebion.
They are not gonna be here, are they?
Marlon and Brody were there.
Zagrzebion zakopan.
Oh, God. They're here.
So what? They knew Brody, didn't they?
Yeah, but Marlon...
Just leave them alone.
Shit.
Clem,
Trochę...
why do people have funerals?
Brody and Marlon.
Tin said they used to have them more,
They died.
but I don't get it.
Well, to say goodbye to someone you've lost.
But they're dead.
This is your last chance to see them before they're gone forever.
It's kinda like they're playing pretend. Pretending
Jezu,
Marlon
jaki
didn't do
ten
all
mały
the bad
jest
stuff he did.
martwy w
Just
środku.
get through this.
On się za...
Does everyone get a funeral?
People do. Some animals too.
Even monsters?
To jest mały czarny nicze.
Even monsters.
That's not fair.
Lots of things aren't fair.
Irytujący on jest i ma śmieszną głowę.
Ten, you ready?
Brody, you always said you wanted to go to the beach. So, I drew it for you.
No ja nie mówię, że ja się dziwię, ja tylko wyrażam swoje odczucia na ten temat.
Marlon was...
A może to po prostu rasizm?
I can't. Not for Marlon. After what he did to the twins and Brody,
You didn't even like Brody. You were always mean to her.
I can't. Someone else do it.
Bitch. Dude, don't.
No
Seriously,
kurde.
He was your best friend. He wasn't perfect, but he deserved better than to get gunned down by that kid. AJ killed him like it was nothing.
Ty se
We all
uważaj.
saw it, and no one stopped him.
I don't appreciate your tone, Mitch.
Yeah? Well, I don't appreciate your kid murdering my friend.
Dobra, czulamy się.
I was justified. Clem told me.
Fuck, I can't listen to this.
Fajny pogrzeb.
Damn, that's... shit.
That's what you told him? That what he did was okay?
We can't. Wait. We should talk this out.
Dorośnijcie, to jest dobra
He
odpowiedź.
murdered our friend.
You all need to grow the hell up. People die. It happens all the time. And the rest, they move on.
Move on! And just let you get away with what AJ did?
See what I mean? How can any of us trust these fucking people?
What are you saying?
I'm saying they gotta fucking go. Take a vote. Majority decides. They
O
stay
Jezu,
or they leave.
demokracja.
Today.
That does seem fair.
Are you serious? It's bullshit.
You're bullshit.
Dobra, głosujcie
I
se,
don't want to
proszę.
leave, but if you all decide we should, we'll go.
Clem,
You heard her, kid.
Proszę bardzo.
A vote's the only way to settle this, or we'll be
Pójdziemy.
arguing forever.
Fine. I guess we're fucking voting. Lewis needs to vote.
Could you go get him? And try to talk to him.
Come on, Rosie. Come here, girl.
Fajny pies, szkoda, że pan nie fajny.
Could you guys go wait in the dorm? I'll come get you.
Teraz trzeba będzie
please don't
łazić.
kick us out.
Teraz trzeba będzie łazić i czekolady rozdawać.
Come on, let's go.
Bombonierki i flaszki, żeby nas nie wywalili. Inaczej to się nie uda.
Sometimes I don't know where this dirty road is
Tak, to
taking
koniec.
me.
No nie no.
Sometimes I don't know the reason why.
No i właśnie mój film na YouTubie został zdemonetyzowany.
Lots of rambling,
Ale trudno, przeżyjemy to jakoś.
but it's easier than just waiting around to die.
Tyle dali radę skończyć. Dziękujemy za uwagę. Co ty robisz? Oho. Lubliniec incoming.
AJ, stop. You'll break your toe or something. Come here, sit down.
No. It didn't work. I did what you said and they didn't even care.
Musisz zacząć walić
Marlon was
głową.
bad. I tried to tell them, but they wouldn't even listen at all.
AJ, breathe. Remember what we do when we're mad? Come on, you don't want to be loud, do you? What What do we do when we're mad?
Jestem
We
duży,
stop and think and
umiem już zaszczelić człowieka.
I'm still really mad. I know that I'm not supposed to get mad.
Kurde, AJ, sorry,
Or
wszystko,
sad,
lubię cię, ale uspokój
because then
Downa.
I do dumb things.
You need to handle your
Znaczy,
feelings.
ja go nie
Get
lubię,
them
ona
under
go lubi.
control.
I know, or I'll make mistakes.
Exactly. We stop, we think, and we breathe.
Breathe.
Feel better? You're still mad, huh?
And, I think I'm sad too. I did what you told me to.
I know. You're a good listener.
I wanted to show them I was right. Like you said. It didn't work. Why'd you tell me to do that if it didn't work?
On mi się kojarzy trochę z tym małym Oscarem z bębenka blaszanego.
I thought they would listen
W
to
sensie
us.
też był mały i przemądrzały
I didn't
i
realize I didn't know
nie za
how bad
dobry.
it would be. It's my fault they got angry.
But they hate me. They don't hate you.
i też był irytujący na dłuższą
I think
metę.
they hate us both.
I don't want to go.
I know you don't.
I like knowing where we are all the time. The bed, the food. I like the other kids. Not all of them, but Tin and Louis and Violet.
Dar japę i pękało szkło, tak.
We took the vote. You have to leave.
No to szczerze mówiąc tego się
Don't
spodziewałem
we get to vote?
właśnie.
I vote that we stay.
That's not how it works.
Maybe it should be.
You don't have to like it.
Good, because I don't.
Whatever.
Whatever helps you sleep at night.
What'll help me sleep at night is knowing you two are gone.
You can be such a shithead, Louis.
So fucking stupid.
Nie
You said you'd
takie...
go along with it if we voted fairly.
It's bullshit. And you'd know it if you weren't so used to burying your head in the sand.
Oh, I'm burying my head in the sand? Hate Marlin all you want, but you can't tell me AJ's in dangerous too.
We'll wait for you to pack up, then Louis and I'll escort you out past the safe zone. We'll make sure you get to the road safely. It's not a lot, but at least you won't die on the way.
Dobra,
We
no
could have
ta,
happily dumped you outside
ta
the
jest
gates.
spoko.
Thanks for making sure that we...
No, don't thank them. It's their fault we gotta leave. They're gonna get rid of us.
Get him under control.
AJ, breathe.
Ale w sumie to serio, wolałbym
Where's
pójść
Tim?
stamtąd.
I gotta say goodbye.
No oni są irytujący, oprócz
He was
tej.
really upset about the vote, and he's
Ta jest
not
spoko.
talking to anybody. It's best to leave him alone when he's like this, but for the record, he wanted you to stay.
AJ, BJ i CJ, dokładnie.
Wait. Does AJ still have that gun?
Nie no, broni to nie oddajemy, nie ma opcji.
Hand it over.
Nie. Nie oddawaj.
Is this necessary?
Hell yes, it's necessary.
It's yours, AJ. You should keep it.
Nie ma opcji.
It's mine. I need it for monsters.
If I thought you were only gonna use it on monsters, I wouldn't be so worried about it. Fine. Let the kid keep the murder weapon.
Jezus, idźmy już stąd, serio, oni... o, damy se radę na szlaku, już żeśmy se nie w takich sytuacjach dawali radę. I tak pewnie stąd nie pójdziemy w sumie. Nie zżyłem się z nimi jakoś, szczerze mówiąc. Wręcz przeciwnie. Siema, Outcast Belnor. Siema, Devito. Streszczenie. Streszczenie brzmi: zobaczysz sobie na YouTubie. Sub i dzwoneczek. Siema, bezdomny.
Will we get another car?
Probably not. We got lucky before.
So we're walking. My shoes are gonna break.
Well, we'll have to hope they hold
Tak,
out.
całość, czyli 2
My
epizody.
feet are gonna bleed again.
We'll tear up a shirt and tie them up if we have to.
It's not so bad.
Ty się nie
I mean, you've
odzywaj,
done this before.
nerwarien.
Probably pretty good at it by now. Almost like going home for you guys.
Dobra, weź zawrzyj ryj
Don't pretend you give a shit.
i weź się w ogóle utkaj. Jak to mówi młodzież.
We're here. The road's that way. Anything you want to say before we go?
I've said plenty.
Thanks for trying to keep us.
You're welcome. I wish you could stay.
Ta była spoko.
I don't
Jako-
want this.
Come on, let's just go.
Give us a minute, would you?
A nic nie powiem. Nic mi się nie chce gadać.
Really, I wish I could take you back, but I can't, Clem. Half of them are convinced you're as bad as Marlin or worse. If you came back, someone else might get hurt. I can't risk it, I'm sorry.
Still got that gun?
Idź już, bo się nie mogę patrzeć na ciebie.
Just try to be more careful with it, okay?
I will.
No. I bardzo dobrze.
Let's get going. The sun will set soon.
How do you know?
I don't know. I can just feel it.
How?
There's this cold that settles on my skin. It happens right before a storm, too.
I don't feel that.
You haven't been on the road as long as me.
Clem?
Hmm?
Will we be okay?
Znajdziemy se lepszych
I
przyjaciół.
thought we were done running from all the bad people. And the monsters.
Yeah, of course we'll be okay. We're used to this.
I hate it out here. I wish we could go back.
Yeah, so do I.
Kurde, ale się wystraszyłem. Już żeśmy znaleźli nowych przyjaciół. No, przyjaciół to tak nie do końca, ale...
Now come on out. I saw a couple of you on the road. How long you think you can hide?
Shit.
Ej, to jest ten?
That's the man from the train station.
Co my go
Yes.
wrzucili do zombie?
I thought he died.
Za kolak.
Survive a bite if you cut it off fast enough.
Użnął se rękę.
Stay here.
O kurwa.
Tough little bitch, aren't you?
Nara. Cholera. Nie wyszło.
I wouldn't, boy. Any closer, Your friend might get her head blown off.
Abel.
Good to see you again, Squirt.
Don't!
Dzieci bijesz? O ty!
I've seen these ones before. Fighters. Both of them. You'll like them.
We're looking for a kid. Runs a community near here.
Marlon.
He's dead.
Well, shit.
This can still work.
How about it? You want to take us back to your school? Help us talk to your friends? It's not like you have many other options.
Nope.
It's not my school. I don't live there.
I find that very hard to believe.
No
Not a
to...
lot of kid communes around here.
Don't! Let him go, please.
Niestety
Sure.
jest taki
You do like
problem,
we ask. Otherwise, I'm happy to crack his head open.
że
You
małego
ever
mi
seen old fruit explode
nie
after you
szkoda
throw it at
zbytnio,
something?
bo mnie denerwuje.
That's just how it'll look.
No, ale to kopać w szczękę to nie no. Bo...
Oh my god.
Co? Kto to jest?
Clementine, it's you?
Kto to jest?
My name is Lily. You probably don't remember me. It's been a while.
A nie...
I've never seen you before.
When this all started, a man named Lee saved you. Or stole you. I was never sure. I was in your group for a while until I wasn't.
What the hell?
Not now.
Nie pamiętam jej, to było za
What
dawno.
is this?
I said, not now.
Lili z TW1... No tak, ale... Aha!
Lee isn't with you.
A tego starego, takiego
So he's
zrzędliwego...
dead then.
O Jezus.
I'll never forget him leaving me on the side of the road to die.
A, i my ją zostawili na drodze
blame him.
wtedy.
I was clearly a threat to the group
było.
after I shot that girl.
Było.
Carly.
Lee should have left you behind too. Might have lived longer if he did.
O Jezus, ale to bym nie zapamiętał.
Same
Tak.
thing will happen to you if you repeat his mistakes. Your little boy there, you'll die protecting him. You may be able to keep this up a while longer, but eventually he'll slow you down.
I don't think so. AJ knows how to handle himself.
He's got spirit, I'll give you that. But you and I know that won't be enough.
Fuck, we don't have time for all this.
Ty mnie nie
We've got
strasz.
history.
Great. You know her, I know her. Point is, we got a job to do.
We can help you raise that boy, Clementine. But we need you to do something for us.
What? Help you kidnap a couple more kids?
We don't need a couple. We need all of you.
We'll take you back to the Delta to join our people. We have walls, we have working solar panels, and we grow our own food. All we need from you is to go back to your friends and convince them to come peacefully. No one will be harmed.
I'm not Marlon.
Here's what I'll do. I'll take the little squirt here right now. That way, I'm sure you'll play nice.
Be smart about this, Clementine. It's
Yeah.
an us or them kind of world, Clem. If you want to save your little one, you won't be
Jezus Maria, nie wiem. Dobra.
Shoot!
O, to... Decision made. Ej, dobrze.
Come on!
W sumie dobrze wyszło. A ta biegnie, kurde, ze strzałą w ramieniu. Nie, w lewo, powinienem w prawo. Ciekawe, jak on przeładował tego obrzyna z jedną ręką.
Oh shit.
I think we lost him.
Clem!
Shit.
Aż ścięło. No wyszło... No... Różnie można na to patrzeć.
No. Stop. Too loud.
WTF? Przecież trzeba było się nasmarować flakami, żeby zombie się nie kapły, że to jest zombie, i drugie rzeczy, że nie jest. Coś zgłupiały od tamtej części. Cosplayer. No, cosplayer. Aha.
There.
Szeptacze. Aha.
Get the shrapnel out.
Me?
I'll keep him still.
No to teraz delikutaśni nie patrzcie.
Trying not to be loud.
It's okay, AJ. Just breathe.
Put your hands there. Stop the bleeding.
It's okay, AJ. He's just gonna patch you up.
It's enough. For now.
Whoa. Easy. Easy.
Where's our stuff? My gun.
We lost it, buddy.
Lewis got shot.
I saw.
They saved us.
Yeah, they did.
Szkotką to, kurde, wszystko skleisz.
I didn't mean to endanger you. The walkers were sent to help you.
You sent the walkers?
Was part of a group. Call themselves Whisperers. They've learned to live in herds, among walkers. Move among them. Sometimes guide them.
Why are you alone, if you were part of a group?
They attacked a community. Saw the carnage. Didn't want to be part of it.
Does it hurt?
Hungry.
Eat. Both of you.
Thank you. Do you have a name?
Been a while.
Since...
I've said it.
Uuu,
James.
Jaki piękny.
Why did you help us, James?
Nie zapowiadało nic tego.
The people who attacked you. What do you know about them?
I know they steal kids. They took 2 last year.
A common practice for them. They're at war up north. Their entire community against another. It's why they take people. To make them fight.
A
Train
tam
them.
Lee.
Use
To
them.
I się budzisz.
You would join their war.
That's horrible.
Yes. That's why I helped you.
Thank you.
Clem?
Wait. Throw it. Distract him. Works just as well, and nobody gets hurt. Not us. Not him. Thank you.
Safe.
It was difficult to send the herd in to save you. I didn't want them to die.
Zombie life matters. All life matters.
So, James, do you just hang around in the woods, saving random people?
After I left my group, I wandered. First time alone, ever. Saw war everywhere. First against walkers, then against each other. Hoped it would be better here. Where are you from? Here? Or somewhere far away?
Georgia.
Georgia.
Long way from home.
It feels like forever ago.
It was.
So, where are you from?
Washington.
James the Frontier? Nie
The
pamiętam
city
takiego.
or the state?
The city. Dad ran a food truck. I helped.
You've got a fever.
His wound will need proper cleaning and medicine, if you're lucky enough to have any.
The school has medicine, but I don't think they'll share it.
That's why those people attacked you, isn't it? To get to that school. They'll destroy whatever they find. Bring more guns, more fighters. Take everyone inside.
They won't be able to fight them off.
You need medicine. You have to go back, or you'll lose him.
O Jezus.
I'll go back. Convince them to help
Trzeba
AJ.
będzie wrócić.
They'll take us back once they see him. They wouldn't turn AJ away.
You hope? I'll help you get back. Past the walkers. A few more hours and we'll go.
That's a few hours for you to sleep.
I'll stay awake. You don't have to. Sleep. I'll keep watch.
Dobra.
Okay, I will. What about you?
Don't need it. Not tonight. Rest well.
No, kiss. Za szybko, jak kiss.
Good night.
Good night. Is he awake?
Yeah, he's so hot.
I can carry him. You're exhausted.
No, I've got him.
Ale było.
Hang on, we're almost there.
Walker! Violet! Lewis! They came back!
Look, you live out there alone, right? You could stay with us.
Jeszcze nie wiem, czy nas przyjmą, ale...
Not ready.
can't keep carrying you. We'll be inside soon.
No
Rest now.
tośmy się nabyli z nowym kolegą.
Shit. Is he...
He's alive. He was shot. He's got a fever.
Come on, let's get him inside.
I can't.
Alright, Kamil, thank you. Welcome everybody.
It's okay,
Już
buddy.
myślałem
I got
serio,
you.
że nie wpuści.
Let me see. I have what I need upstairs. Come on. We got the shrapnel out of him. We? It's a long story. He's running a fever. Body's trying to fight infection, poor little guy.
Ruby and Lewis will take care of him. You come with me. We can talk in the office. Clem, shh. You just try to rest, okay? We're gonna fix you right up. Clem!
AJ, listen to Ruby, okay? She'll look after you.
Ruby. Będę raczej
Come
rubo.
on. What do we do when we're scared? When fear starts to get the upper hand,
We tell it to fuck off.
we say...
You said I can't swear.
We can make an exception. What do? We say
fuck off to fear. I'm good now. Clementine, please. We need to talk.
Masno. Nej.
What happened out in the woods? I saw they had you pinned and Shit, I got so crazy. When I heard you call for help, I didn't even think.
Prosiłbym Sznapka
I just let
zbanować.
go of the arrow. I wasn't even sure if I'd hit her.
Permanentnie.
And
Na,
then Lewis got
na
shot
amen.
six inches over. We'd be digging another grave. I really thought you were dead, Clem.
It's just everything is so fucked right now. You know? Everyone is scared, Clem.
It's really good to see you again.
It's good to see you too. Just wish Mitch and the others felt the same. Lewis and I told them what happened in the woods. That woman who attacked you.
Lily.
So you do know her. We were wondering. Who the hell is she? I mean, I know you're not, like, with her group, but the others don't
Tak,
like the
przeczytałem.
coincidence. Her showing up right after you? I mean...
I wouldn't have recognized her if she hadn't recognized me first. We were in a group together. A long time ago.
Hope it was a different kind of group that didn't fucking steal people.
Come on, you know it was different. She murdered someone in our group, gunned them down during an argument. Carly was her name. She refused to let Lily push her around. It was right at the start. I haven't seen Lily since.
I believe you.
But...
There's something else. Willie said someone was with you at the gates.
James. He saved me and AJ, let us stay in his camp for the night.
But why did you bring him here? You led him right to us. I mean, he's a
No
stranger, Clem.
niestety. Równie
Running into
dobrze
those two in the
sam
woods,
se go mogłem
it proved we
zbanować w
can't
sumie.
trust anybody. I'm not trying to be weird.
Ej, klikłem.
I just don't want everyone in the world to know where we are. Willie said he was wearing, I don't know, animal skins or something.
He was wearing walker skin, That's how he gets past herds. He can guide them, too.
Wow. Okay.
I wouldn't have brought him here if I thought he was a threat.
It's not that I don't trust you. I'm just worried about the others and what they might do. They didn't even get a chance to mourn Brody and Marlon before these child-snatching assholes showed up. And then you two come back after we thought you were dead. Now they're confused, and no one knows how to feel about AJ.
Violet, AJ is the least of their worries.
I know, but everything is such a mess. They're scared and angry, and they're looking for someone to blame. I mean, they kicked you out. How am I supposed to make them change their minds about you?
It was decided. 5-3 against.
I know it feels like it shouldn't matter, but they were afraid of you. Both of you.
You don't have to. Let me convince them. James told me what Lily and Abel will do next. He said they'll get more people and guns and come attack us. Take everyone here.
How the hell would he know?
He's watched them for a while.
A, to w sumie to nie był żaden spoiler tak naprawdę. A czy ban zasłużony jak najbardziej.
Is that what happened to Minnie and Sophie?
Jebać frajerów.
They turn them into soldiers?
Ale...
Yeah, it'll happen to us too if we don't stop them.
Minnie didn't even like killing walkers.
Look at this place. It's a fortress. With a little work, we could make this place really hard to attack.
Do you actually know how to do that?
Yeah, I was part of a siege once in a town called Richmond.
Było.
Here, let me show you.
Erikson. Widziałem pomnik Eriksona na Islandii. Fortify the walls. Dive the courtyard. Fortify the walls. Fortify the walls. Set traps in admin building. To na pewno. Pułapki to jest great idea.
This is where we should make our stand. There's only one way in, the front, and then there's the big central staircase. If we rig that path with traps, we can pull back here.
Luring in our attackers. I like it.
Mury z przodka ubezpieczyć to też jest
We've got
pomysł.
good, strong walls. We need to make them hard to climb over, so the raiders have to come in through the gates.
We used to keep barbed wire in the greenhouse.
Kurde, arbiter to nie są dzieci, oni mają po kilkanaście lat. Jakie to są dzieci? AJ to jest dziecko.
The courtyard's pretty wide open, not a lot of cover. We should flip the picnic tables, narrow down the pathways through it.
So we'll know which way they're coming.
At the very least, it'll give us protection if they get past these walls. Well, you guys don't use the greenhouse anymore, do you?
No, we used to. Then we lost someone out there. Walkers overran
Czy
the
dowody
place and
mają?
Marlon wouldn't let
W
us go
Ameryce
back.
nie ma dowodu.
Safe zone.
Chyba.
We need to get that barbed wire so they can't climb the walls. I'll go.
W Anglii
you
nie ma
sure?
na pewno.
It's gonna be swarming with walkers by now.
Okay, what the hell's going on? Lily told me she was back, but I was like, no way. Violet wouldn't just go against what we all decided.
Shh! Would you keep it down? The little boy's asleep! His fever's already going down, Clem. He's gonna be okay.
Great. We're just giving them our medicine, too?
Mitch, those people who shot Lewis, they're arming up to attack the school. We need Clem's help.
Like hell we do. For all we know, she's one of them.
She's not. If you saw their leader's boot on Clem's neck, you'd know that.
Kurde,
All I know
zdechniesz bez
is that
pomocy,
since she
typie.
showed up, it's been trouble.
These raiders all carry guns, and they know how to use them. So whatever you think of me and AJ, deal with it, or you're gonna end up dead.
I'd rather take my chances.
Clem's going to the greenhouse to find barbed wire and anything else she thinks we need for the fight, and you're going to help her.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. It's too dangerous for her to go by herself, and you're good in a fight.
I can go too. You know, to keep the peace.
Fuck, Vi. Since when are you the one making the calls?
Since no one else stepped the fuck up. These two will meet you at the gate, and you can head to the greenhouse once I've explained the situation.
See you there.
I'm so sorry, little dude. Please be okay.
Nerwarien się nawrócił.
I...
Guess I didn't realize how long it's been. How much it's changed.
This ain't budging.
You gonna stand there sulking all day? You gonna do something useful?
Well, we need that barbed wire. There must be another way in.
To jest najnowszy i ostatni epizod. Pierwotnie drugi z 4, no ale w świetle ostatnich wydarzeń jednak ostatni.
Wild boar. Not too many in these parts, but they were more common where I grew up. I used to hunt them with my old man when I was little. They make terrible noises when they die.
I like it. It'll look good on my wall.
O, widzisz, Patrycho. No zamówisz, jak zrobią. La 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 li, la 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 la.
Are you okay?
Ruba.
It's been so long since I was
Znaczy
here.
ruda.
I used to love this place, but it's so overgrown. I'll be fine. Let's just find a way in.
Ty jesteś ruba, na pewno ruba.
I can't see shit.
Nie
There's
widzę.
too much condensation on the inside.
Nie widzę gówna.
Condensation. That's a big word for you.
Shut up. What do you want?
Nothing.
You're only here because we're desperate, you know, so don't get comfy. If we survive these raiders, you and I are gonna have words.
Let's survive first.
Jaki on jest nieprzyjemny. Minie rok się okaże, że się da dokończyć. Minie rok. Minie rok. Co ty w ogóle gadasz, arbiter? Minie rok. No niech minie kurde 10 od razu. To nie w tym rzecz. Póki co, to, że ktoś to może dokończyć, to są jakieś domysły ewentualne. A fakt jest taki, że to jest ostatni epizod. I że studio przestaje istnieć. Nie ma co tu wymyślać. Tu nic. Tam nie idzie nawet przejść przez krzaki w XXI wieku. Karygodne. No, miało być Wolf Among Us 2 i tyle będzie, że nie będzie. Kurda, nie wiem gdzie tutaj trzeba. No właśnie, tak jak troller pisze. Ktoś wykupi firmę i dokończą. No to Edward, czekam. Wykupuj. A, tu jest drabina.
That window. I bet we can get in there.
Good spot. Mitch, Come here and give me a boost.
Wait. Make her go first. We send the one we don't mind losing.
On po prostu tej nie dźwignie.
That's an ugly thing to say.
O
I
Jezu.
says we need her help, right? She shouldn't mind sticking her neck out.
I'll go first. I don't mind.
Figured you'd fight it.
Thanks, Clem.
Ja, fanowskie community, ktoś ich do sądu poda.
Otherwise we'll come as soon as
Do
you get
tego
it all
się
clear.
zawsze ktoś znajdzie.
Guess we'll know when the door opens.
O!
I'm fine.
Do you hear any walkers? You gotta calm down.
I'm coming. I'll get the door open.
Ale wiecie co, to jest może pod jakieś pozwy by szło podciągnąć. Ja zapłaciłem za pełny sezon, a dostanie 2 epizody, no to... Ja się czuję oszukan,
Not bad.
zdradzon i ocyganion.
Oh, look. Wild ginger. Eastern prickly pear, Jerusalem artichoke. False Solomon seal.
Let's find that barbed wire and anything else that might be
Podać ich
useful.
do sądu? Dobra, podam.
Some mushrooms are edible.
Tak? Serio, Pawlos?
Find something?
Yep, maybe useful.
200 ludzi to sporo. Powinni wyruchać co do grosza. No nie wiem, czy tam jeszcze są jakieś grosze.
Barbed wire. A lot of it, too.
That should keep the raiders from climbing our walls.
Hey, we can use these.
For what?
We can make bombs out of these.
Bombs. Are you serious?
Totally. It's the kind of stuff I made back home.
He used to blow shit up. That's why he's a troubled youth.
Guilty. I just need some propane and something to create a spark. And we'll have ourselves a nice little homemade explosive.
Boom, 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 boom.
Did you find anything?
What do you think?
Okay, just asking.
You know, the barbed wire idea is smart, I'll give you that. Those assholes try and climb our walls, they'll tear their guts out. I kinda like to see that.
Pochwalił pomysł. Thank you, Richard.
Yes! Dibs!
What else?
science.
Test naukowy nie powiódł się.
If I remember right, there's a science lab through that door. Maybe there's propane in there. Come on, help me move this thing. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Ja pierdolę!
What's going on? You all right?
We had a scare, that's all.
Tak przemczuł, ale i tak się wystraszyłem.
Oh no.
Who was she?
Miss Martin. Our nurse at the school. She stayed when all the others left. God. She looks...
Jak na zombie, to nie wygląda najgorzej, szczerze mówiąc.
You can barely recognize her. She's just like all the others.
She's not human. She's a walker.
God. Is it really that easy for you to just forget who they were? Well, it isn't for me.
Kurde, ja tam nigdy nie lubiłem pielęgniarek w szkole.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Just need a minute.
Come on, guys. Help me find that propane and we can get out of here.
Ugh, looks like piss.
Dare you to drink it,
Not in a million years.
wimp.
Higienistka. A big deal.
Mitch, is this useful?
Fucking A! I was hoping there'd be one of those. That's an igniter. We can use it to create a spark. Now we just have to find propane. We can blast those motherfuckers to hell.
Prawie, że jej nie ma. O.
You find anything?
I don't know what this is.
To jest cała ta szolka Petriego. Czy jak to się tam nazywa? Nie, to jest... Nie, zlewka? Nie wiem. Zlewka. A, to dobrze się powiedział. Za drugim razem, co prawda. O, tutaj ten robił z tego serialu narkotyki. Metan, etan, propan, butan. Twoja stara orangutan. To ja tak właśnie na chemii tak robiłem. Pawlos. O kurde, kryminał czeka.
Ms. Martin meant a lot to you, huh?
She was the only one who stayed. She saw us for what we were. Bunch of kids who no one wanted. She loved us when nobody else did. Like, really loved us.
Yeah, I've known people like that.
I guess everyone has.
Ciężkie życie, kurde, nawet smartfonów nie mają. To musi być dopiero. Tam zombie to jedno, ale ten brak neta i gier. Motherfucker. Tragedy.
Let's hope there's gas in it.
That is horrible.
Yeah, perfect. Here. Good find. Now we have everything we need. We should get back and tell the others.
We have to bury Ms. Martin first.
Bury her? Why bother? It's a walker. Help me drag it out back. We can burn it.
No. Ms. Martin's the reason we're all alive.
And?
She deserves a proper burial here. Next to the greenhouse she loved. That way the others won't have to see her like this.
She's been dead for years.
Dobra, no już
I'll help you
pochowajmy.
bury her. It's the right thing to do for someone you cared about.
Thank you so much.
Ruba
It's not a
się.
her.
Nie będzie
It's a
spinać.
walker. Fine, whatever. I'm not wasting my energy on that thing.
O, wasting energy, a pewnie sam kurde pałuje Wiplera pod kordłą. A w sumie co tam ma robić, jak tam jest jedna dziewczyna oprócz tam... Nie, jedna? Nie, dwie. Ale jedna taka trochę jak
I'll
facet.
put a stone in the graveyard. Back at the school. Bet Ms. Martin loved this place. She'll be happy here. I'll make sure everyone knows you helped me. That you've got a good heart under all that muck.
Hey.
Think it'll be enough?
Hopefully. And it means Lily and her people won't be able to climb the walls. They'll have to come through the gates. We can plan for that.
Straight into a fiery explosion of death. Assholes won't know what hit them.
Asshole. Przynajmniej ten epizod jak ostatni to nie trwa 40 minut. Knack,
Brought
knack.
you these. I noticed his shirt got messed up when, you know.
Where did you get those?
They were 10s back when he got here. Should be about AJ's size. How's he doing?
Better. His fever's down. Thank you for carrying him in.
No problem. So, we've got a greenhouse again. And bombs.
Mitch's idea.
I figured. Violet says we'll start getting this place ready in the morning.
Kustomizacja postaci.
Good.
They all seem okay with letting you stay.
Kustomizacja postacianu. Finally.
For now, anyway. While we get ready to fight.
Yeah, I'm glad. All I've wanted is for them to forgive us.
I said they're fine with you being here, at least till the raiders are gone. That doesn't mean they all like you again.
Nie to chciałem
Everyone else
powiedzieć.
is okay with us staying. What about you?
Siema,
It's
Studo.
fine. Well, he gets better.
And after that?
I don't know, Clementine.
Clem?
Hey, kiddo. How do you feel?
Better. Still hurts.
I know.
Hi, Louis.
Hey, little dude.
I missed you. Are we friends again?
Just get some sleep, okay?
Louis?
Kurde.
Never mind.
A nie, nic nie powiedzieć to chyba najlepiej.
You're still mad at him, aren't you? He helped carry me, and he was by my bunk when Ruby gave me stuff. Medicine.
I'll get over it.
You should control it. Being mad.
You're right. Let's get a look at the shirts Lewis brought you. Then we'll sleep. It's been a long day.
Yeah. James was nice, but I don't like sleeping on the ground.
Me neither.
You cannot place collectibles in your room.
Hey, look! It's Disco Broccoli and his friend. I wish you could have seen this cartoon.
Disco Brokuła.
Me too.
Wow.
Hey, this one's pretty cool.
Looks like Marlin's jacket.
Oh, yeah. But it would still look good on you. How about this one?
Looks like Tin's boots.
Oh yeah, I think it's the same character.
Cool.
Cool? Kurde, Disco Brokuła.
This one will work. You can put it on when you feel better, okay?
Yeah.
Time for sleep.
Yeah.
I can't sleep with a light.
I'll blow it out in a second.
Something for the rock of my dead body. Do, 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 do.
Wonder how long it'll last.
Czacha.
Nice.
Gdzie ona to nosiła? Pod czapką pewnie. Yeah. No to kurde, sleep tight.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Don't let Walker bite.
And if it tries...
Śpi ciasno.
Bang.
Ale się ciemno zrobiło. O, tam strzelanina, helikoptery i... A, może nie akurat. Pawlos, uspokój się. Ja pierdzielę. Jaki speed up. A, wydobrzył. Gimby. Fatty. What you doing? Ała. O! Oni cały czas śpią. Ja...
AJ? Where are you?
Ej, czajcie, że ostatnio się przez sen jakoś poddusiłem i śniło mi się, że mnie babka dusi. Taka wariatka, co z nią raz jechałem w autobusie. Normalnie śniło mi się, że mnie tak chyciła i mnie tak podniosła i mnie dusiła. I serio, nie mogłem oddychać, naprawdę. Musiałem się jakoś gdzieś... Nie wiem, jak ja sobie to zrobiłem, ale musiałem się przez sen poddusić jakoś. No to było paskudne uczucie. Jak się obudziłem, to jeszcze nie umiałem dechu chycić. Ja w ogóle jak śpię, to sobie jakoś krzywdę robię. Chyba mi się to śni. Nie, paraliż senny to ja wiem co to jest paraliż senny. Pierwszy stopień opętania. Drugi stopień opętania to jest kupić se suba u Seto na czacie.
AJ!
Koń się obalał. Pewnie się nażarła tłustego przed snem. Jak się najem, to zawsze mi się śnią głupoty. A AJ wali słowiański przykuc na biurku.
Same one you used to have all the time. About what happened at the ranch.
Ale bez pięt.
I'll be okay. Just give me a minute. Hey, what do you have there? Did you have a bad dream too?
AJ se chciał
having them a lot lately.
żyły ogolić.
I feel safer like this, not sleeping. I want to stay up forever. I probably could. Like 18 days.
Czarny niesłowianin.
If I tried hard.
Jak czarny niesłowianin, ty zaściankowy, ty
We're safe here, AJ.
poluchu. Bo co, czarny to nie może być Słowianinem?
It doesn't feel like it.
You used to think so? Here, let me help you back to bed.
No. You don't have to keep checking on me. You always say, be tough.
Nie może.
So I am.
Może.
You say, be strong.
Musi.
And I will. All the time.
I raised you to be strong, not stupid.
I'm not.
Shutting people out when they're trying to help you? That's stupid.
Please, don't call me stupid. I'm sorry you had to do all the hard work. Showing them I'm good and smart. Smarter than them. I'm gonna help you more, so you don't have to do everything.
Where are you going?
On patrol.
I'm going hunting.
Patrol.
For danger. Bad people. Monsters. Whatever you have nightmares about.
I don't love the idea, but okay. Go ahead.
Idź.
Be careful.
Okay, I will. I'll guard you real good.
I'll sleep better knowing you're watching out for me. Well, Clementine, you sure did raise a weird kid. No kidding, Clementine. Maybe because you're the sort of person who talks to herself when she's alone.
Spoko, ja też do siebie gadam bardzo często. Ale dogadujemy się.
You ready to work today, kiddo? I know you were up late.
Yeah, I went around the school 8 times last night on patrol.
Find anything?
No danger. I just found a turtle that I thought we could keep. But it was dead and had bugs inside, so I thought, never mind. It's my turn to be lookout.
I have other stuff I need to do.
What stuff?
Nothing. It's important.
God damn it, Lewis. Take this seriously for once in your life.
I've been taking this seriously for fucking days.
O, zaś afera.
Almost 2 weeks.
So has everyone. Get over yourself.
Hey, I thought Lily and Abel would show up days ago. I wonder why they're holding off.
Don't know. All I wanted was more time to prepare, but now this waiting sucks and everyone's on edge.
Need my help?
Yeah, actually. Could you check on everyone and make sure they're doing shit right?
Sure, I'm on it.
Thanks, Clem. I should go board up the back hallway, since Lewis isn't gonna do it.
No way.
Nothing left we can use. Wonder if they ever tried to rebuild it after it burned down.
And I wonder... Rosie. Ale
What are
fajny.
you doing down there, Rosie?
Fajna.
Good girl. What did Marlon
Kurwa,
used to
Rosie.
do?
Kawał psa. Oj, Marlon, byłeś kutasem. No. Szkoda.
I hope it's beautiful where you are, Brody.
Ech.
Ms. Martin, thanks for protecting everyone.
Panie Miczu.
Hey, what are you doing?
Test. Gotta see if the bomb will go off. This little thing won't kill anybody. Just gotta see if it'll light.
Yeah, it better. Our whole plan rests on that little thing. If they get in, I'll need you to set the bomb off while I distract them.
Expect the unexpected.
Yeah, something like that.
I read that on one of those stupid inspirational posters. School used to have them everywhere. As soon as things went to shit, I tore them all down. Stupid shit. Could you? My hand's all fucked up from messing with it all day. Stand back. Fucking shit. If it doesn't work. Fucking shit!
Aha, a to miało ciulnąć, a my stać naprzeciw
I'm
tego.
sure you'll get it. Keep trying.
It's not like I got all the time in the world to play scientist and figure this shit out. I'll figure it out. I just need more time. Alone time to think.
I get it. I'll leave you alone.
Thanks, though, for helping.
Kurde, ręce zgrabiały od... Wiadomo. Od pracy przy bombie. A co to są, kurde, wczesno-średniowieczni Celtowie? Że im wszystkim łeby poucinali? No, fajne trofeum. Ciul. No, afera.
wouldn't want to pledge to
Fuck
that.
Raiders. Da 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 da.
Hopefully this at least creeps the raiders out. Pretty clear message.
Go away. No. A może jakbyśmy takie szyldy wywiesili i przeczytali, to by po prostu odeszli.
Shit.
Archer
What's going on?
first class.
In a few weeks, or days, or hours, the raiders will be here. Burn down our place and steal or kill us. And then it won't matter how much I sucked at this.
The raiders aren't gonna burn anything or steal anybody. We'll stop it.
You sound like Marlin. I mean, not about
Jaki.
fighting, but when he was trying to cheer us all up. For years, I sat around making stupid jokes, playing stupid games, while my best friend was left with all the responsibility, all the tough calls, all the sleepless nights, and eventually, a bullet in the head. And I didn't do a damn thing about it. And then when you tried to tell us what he was really like, and AJ shot him, I blamed you. Both of you. If I could take it back, I would. I knew that the day you got back. I still do.
Jezu, dobra, Luis, wybaczam ci
I forgive
i
you.
kurde...
I understand why you did
Sztama,
it.
nie? I
not
przestań
angry.
pierdolić, proszę.
He was my best friend, almost like my brother, but the things he did, they were fucked up. Here, you take it.
Are you sure? I mean, it's Marlin's.
Yeah, it was. And he used it to defend the school before he stopped. Go ahead. Try it. In that direction, please. And just so you know, I'm totally laughing out loud when you miss.
Ja ci pokorza.
Damn. Remind me to never piss you off while I'm standing at a moderate distance with a big red circle painted on my chest. You want to come back and practice more? Just let me know. Okay?
Sounds good.
And Clem, thank you. For all of it.
Jezu, jak tu się szybko... Zanim tego powie Clem, I love you. Yes, sorry. That's all. I wanted to say I love you. Da da dee, da 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 da. Da 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 da. Co tu jeszcze zrobić?
Well, no one's coming over those.
No co, no przegląd zrobiony, no. Wszystko wygląda świetnie, nie ma opcji, żeby nas zaskoczyli. Kurde Maro, weź powstrzymaj stuleję swoją niepohamowaną. Obrzydliwą, nieludzką, zbrodniczą. No nie wiem, tu powinni jakoś zaznaczać do nubów, czyli do mnie zadania. Bo ja się gubię i ja nie wiem, co ja mam robić. Już wiem, nie wiem.
Violet went to board up the hallway, didn't she?
Yep.
I would have done it later. I just wanted to do this first.
It's okay. She needed something to keep herself busy.
Well then, glad to help. Go ahead and practice if you want. It's all ready for you.
No nie, no ja już postrzelałem. Panie, jestem cudownym łucznikiem. Jak ta firma, znaczy fabryka broni z Radomia. Łucznik. Tucznik.
Do you think Sophie and Minnie might be with them when they get here?
I don't know. Maybe. I'm doing watch, Clem, for danger.
Like patrol?
No, Clem. Lookout's totally different than patrol.
How so?
You don't walk.
Oh, right.
Okej. Check-in. Jak na lotnisku.
Back hallway's secure. How is everyone? Okay, or, you know, a total fucking mess?
Well, honestly, it's not perfect, but they're trying.
No, it's
they're
not.
doing everything they can.
Trying isn't gonna stop them from getting kidnapped. Trying isn't going to stop these raiders from burning down our fucking home. Jesus, Clem. They stopped giving out participation trophies when walkers started eating people.
Because you're boring and your idea's stupid.
Oh, I'm being stupid? You're the one who can't think straight. If you could hear yourself...
Guys, what the fuck?
Violet told us to work on the traps together, but Sim won't listen to anything I say.
That doesn't mean you have to scream at each other.
Mały
Stay out of
rasista.
I have an idea for duffel bags filled with bricks. We drop them on the raiders if they get to the admin building. Willie here wants to use a giant, idiotic swinging log to take out one raider at most. It's completely stupid.
You're stupid.
You're being childish.
I am not. I'm trying to help.
So help! And stop
Nie no,
arguing.
raczej
Sim
cegły.
is right. We should use his brick trap. It sounds more practical.
Mine's practical too.
No, it isn't. It's exactly the kind of thing a child would think of. Especially a child who has no idea what he's up against.
Ciul go.
Dude, you okay?
Yeah, fine. Shit!
Christ. We'll all kill each other before the raiders even get a fucking chance.
All right, what we need is something to break the tension.
No to rozładował
Hey, buddy,
napięcie.
how's it hanging?
Dude, fuck off.
Sulking in the corner isn't gonna help us fight off the raiders. Or turn that frown upside down.
You get more annoying every day.
Regardless, I've come up with a plan to make everybody feel better. And that plan is a game.
Come on, we gotta play.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, we haven't played a game in weeks, since that night with Marlin.
I mean,
Znasz taki
if you
trik,
want
co
to go
napięcie
ask
rozładowuje?
Ruby to come play.
Jaki, Maro?
I don't mind
Napisz!
waiting.
Shut up, dude!
Jestem
You've got a
ciekawy.
crush on Ruby?
What are we playing?
Truth or dare?
You don't use cards in Truth or Dare.
You do in this version. Everyone draws. Highest card gets to ask, lowest card has to answer.
Trójcyna.
This should be good. Let's see. Truth. Marry, fuck, kill.
Bye.
Fine. Marry, flip, kill. Ruby, a Sim, or James, that guy who saved you.
Oh my god.
You gotta answer. Them's
Co?
the
Na,
rules.
co?
Let's see. I would marry...
Co to za gra głupia? Ruby. Nie no, Jamesa wiadomo.
James. He sounds mysterious.
Funny. You pronounce horrifying differently than I do.
Didn't you say he wore skin? Like human skin? Whatever makes you happy, Clem.
No i co?
I would, flip.
Flip, 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 flip.
Flip, flip, flip.
No wiadomo, że Ruby.
Ruby.
Sorry. I was just imagining her glare while Clem propositions her. What? You sure that's a good idea? What's wrong with you?
She picked. Ruby gets a flip.
So that means you're killing...
This is amazing.
A sim!
Oh, thank God.
What? You'd rather die than marry or flip
Racism.
Clem.
No. I didn't mean it like that.
This is great. We're laughing, we're bonding. It's a nice break from thinking about homicidal assholes sneaking into our homes to kidnap us.
Not if you bring it up.
On to round 2.
OMG.
I win.
And poor Sim loses.
Definitely a dare.
Okay. Do your worst.
Go kiss a walk ahead, ask Rabbi for a kiss. Ja chyba wiem, co będzie gorsze.
You have to ask Ruby for a kiss.
Seriously?
The most legitimate of dares. I can't breathe. Well, I think we all learned something about our good friend Asim today. Mainly that he has no romantic charm whatsoever.
Shut up.
Look sharp, y'all. It's time for round 3.
Kurde, ja bym chyba wolał się strzelać z bandytami niż w to grać, ale okej.
I got it. We've been pretty hard on poor Asim here, teasing him about sweet Ruby. Seems only fair we mercilessly tease someone else about unrequited love. So, Clem. Anyone here you like?
Seriously? Like? What are you, 6?
7, thank you.
No niezbyt.
I've made a lot of friends here, but I'm not sure I have a crush on anyone.
There you go, Lewis. Nothing to tease her about.
Oh, there's still plenty to tease her about. The hat, for one.
Don't. She gets really mad.
Asim, you've got the high card.
Dupek.
And the loser is Tennessee.
Jopek.
What's something you've never told anyone because you were afraid they'd make fun of you?
You got this.
I think walkers won't always be around. They'll go away someday. 'Cause the world goes in cycles, right? Ice Age, Stone Age, some other ages. So it's like that. This age will end. And another one will start.
An age without walkers, like it used to be.
It'll be better. Why is everyone looking at me like that?
Odważna teza.
I remember right after the walkers showed up, everyone was convinced it'd be over in a few weeks. We thought someone would stop it, save the day. Someone always does. But they didn't. Now there's more walkers than people.
What's wrong, AJ?
I just don't know what it's like. All of you do, but I don't. I don't remember a time before monsters.
You know what, little dude? It's okay that you don't. Believe me, the world before this one was pretty shitty. And that feels like a good place to call it.
We should finish up our work anyway. It's getting dark. You're on lookout?
Yep. Clementine's got it after me.
Can I come?
Of course you can, little guy.
Hey.
Hey.
You maybe want to help me with the brick trap?
Yeah, I got some ideas.
Cool. I'm sure they'll help.
Nie opłaca się jej spać,
It's okay.
spać w pociągu.
It's a pretty good punch.
Taka chora, to jest dobry pomysł,
I'm headed to
odpowiedzialny.
the bell tower. I want to check out our defenses on the back wall before bed.
Do you need help?
Sure, if you want.
You could always help me instead. I am on piano duty. What? I gotta get in some practice before one of you decides to chop it into firewood. I've got a project I want to try, but I need a second person.
No, ja idę z nią. Nie, bo idę z nią. Ależ długi ten epizod. Fajnie w sumie, ale jest fajny, jest taki, jest okej, dobre ma tempo. Jest akcja i jest nieakcja. Ale jak nie ma akcji, to też nie jest taka nuda. Jest dobrze. Szkoda, że to koniec. Herald, ostatni raz powtarzam, żebyś uspokoił Downa i przestał pisać takie głupoty.
So, we're checking the walls?
Yep, from up there. That's the best view. You ready for a climb?
Looks a little dangerous.
What's more dangerous than walkers? Or that death trap you called a car?
Okay, fair.
Come on, you're not chicken, right?
No.
No, I'm thinking about
Tu
chicken
się
nuggets.
coś wydarzy.
Do you remember those?
Not really.
I do. We always got them on Sundays. There was no time for Grandma to cook between church and Bible studies, so fast food. Man, I'd give an eyeball for a chicken nugget right now.
Nice.
Barbed wire, traps, weapons. It's everything we planned.
You made it happen. We couldn't have done it without you.
I know.
You've got lookout duty tonight, right?
Yep, me and AJ.
Do you have time to hang out first?
Sure.
Czy ta blondyna, ona nie jest czasem z teamu...
Beautiful.
Z teamu bułek?
Sometimes I need the quiet, just to get away for a while.
Tak? Nie wiem. Coś mi tak przeszło przez myśl.
Yeah? I know you came back for medicine, for AJ, but after that you could have just left. Avoided all the bullshit with the Raiders. Why didn't you? Sorry, I know that puts you on the spot. You don't have to answer.
O nie, bo to będzie
We've all got our
brzmiało...
reasons.
AJ and I are safer here. Lily and Abel proved that.
Yeah, that's true. Until they get here, anyway.
Do you know any constellations?
Nope. You?
I learned some in school, but can't remember them.
Let's make some up. Come over here. You can sit down at that volunteer desk. If I remember right, everyone's born under a special sign, right? It determines your personality.
That's astrology, not astronomy.
Whatever, let's just make up our own. Rules, signs, what it says about you. It's not like anyone remembers the old way. Okay, let's do it. There! See? It's a fish.
Gdzie to?
Right. Now it needs a personality.
Bright, pretty, good with other people, always moving, tons of energy. Sounds like anyone we know? The energy one is easy. Good with people, not so much.
That's AJ. Wherever I look, there he is, taking up all my attention. And I love him for it.
He's getting better around other people. You're doing good with him. Next up. I spy with my eye a knife. See it? Right there. Right above your head.
Yeah, they're all above my head.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Awesome. This one's easy. Smart, clean, vicious, dependable. Someone you want with you in a fight. Doesn't take crap from anyone. Gets shit
To
done.
ta jest taka, kurde.
Sounds just like you.
I like that one. Yeah. Okay, one more time. I found a bird.
Like a real bird?
No, a starbird. Right there.
Dlatego to bym na początku miał problem, jakby nie było
A bird is
podświetlenia.
free. It could go anywhere it wanted to. Up and up and up and never come back. Go south, east, west, doesn't matter. You could fly straight into a sunset.
I wish it was me.
Maybe we'll learn to fly together someday. Sorry, I didn't mean to just talk so much. It's just, I've watched people leave before. Family, friends. They never come back. But you did. And now I can't imagine what it would be like if you weren't here.
Oh!
That sounds so much dumber when I say it out loud.
Nope!
We're friends. Good ones.
It's good to have a friend again. Someone I can really trust.
Nope!
So do we gotta, like, make friendship bracelets or something?
I don't think it's official until we do.
Ugh, I hate arts and crafts. Shit sticks. Probably time for your lookout shift.
No nie, no dajcie
Ready?
spokój, no.
Yeah.
I tak by się to nie rozwinęło, bo następnych epizodów nie ma. Sam & Max. A mi się jakoś nie podoba za bardzo Sam & Max.
The Raiders. That guy. He's gonna
Riders
be
of
with
the Storm.
Abel. Yeah. Your bad dreams. They're all about him, aren't they?
Yeah. Can I swear yet? I think it's time I can. If you do.
Dobra,
Fuck
klnij
it.
se.
Really?
Go for it, kiddo. Everyone else swears, you might as well too.
I fucking really hate that fucking dickhead shitfuck.
Whoa, that's a little much, don't you think? Try thinking about something else. Count the monsters you see.
Same number as before. 3, 4.
AJ, it's okay if Abel frightens you. You know how to control that.
There's 10 monsters out there. He doesn't frighten me. But when he comes here, I call dibs. I'm the one that kills him. Okay?
Jasne.
Okay.
Really?
Yes, I can't promise you how things are gonna go.
A
but
se
if it's
odpali,
possible,
kurde,
you get first shot at him.
starego.
Wow.
Się odpręży.
What, you thought I'd say no?
Yeah. I'm grown up now.
No, you aren't.
But I'm close. Clem, I see something.
Not a walker?
Here, you look too.
Kubus, ja pierdolę, ile ty masz lat? 7. Typie, weź
Good job,
się
AJ.
połóż spać, czy coś.
Come on, we have to tell the others.
No ja nie mogę tego, cały czas o tym ruchaniu, ja pierdolę. A wiecie, że najbardziej ryczy ta krowa, co najmniej mleka daje, nie? No właśnie.
Stay safe, okay?
To daje do myślenia.
We're ready.
They've got at least 4 more people, all carrying guns and carts, probably to
Do mnie
carry
się
people
czepiasz.
away.
Ty też pierdolisz
I can't
fleki.
believe they're really here. If they get inside, I'll keep them focused on me. That should give Willie and Mitch time to set up the bomb.
I'll set it under those carts. It'll work. I promise.
If they manage to get in, we fall back.
To the admin building.
Exactly. Right into our traps.
They're in for a rude fucking surprise. Those duffel bags will break bones. Easy.
So, any final words of wisdom? You've faced them and won, after all. Well, sort of.
No, że będzie fajnie.
We're gonna make those assholes.
O kurwa mać.
Shit! Shit!
Hide! Now! Omar! I got him. AJ, hide!
No! Open up, kid! Doesn't have to get any uglier!
My bow!
Go! Go. I'll be all right. You don't have much time. Go!
W sumie tego typa to ja nawet nie pamiętam za bardzo.
It's okay. Just try not to move or make noise.
The fuck is all this?
Focus. You're just scarecrows.
Guess they took us seriously.
Spread out.
Ale tego to bym odjebał. Za kolaka. Tak, postać obrzydliwa.
Lily! Move and I'll shoot!
You won't get the chance!
Where's our new recruits?
They're not yours!
Search the yard. If Clementine moves, shoot her. We'll find them, Clementine, and then we'll take them. And you. And your little boy.
I don't think you want to kill me. Just like you didn't want to in the woods.
Shut up!
You can't fucking do it, can you?
You've changed.
I grew up.
I can see that. God, you are just like him. Lee would have been heartbroken knowing he taught you all the wrong things. That the sweet little girl he protected turned out like this.
He taught me how to survive. How to kill!
Yeah, some job he did. He still died, Clementine.
Get out!
If you won't help me find the others, I'll find someone who will. We've recruited from this school before. Minnie wanted to come along tonight to tell you how well she's adjusted to her life, how happy she is. She said she had a girlfriend back here. Friends she missed. One guy who could always make her laugh no matter what. And her little brother. She missed him the most.
Ja pier...
Where are they?
Let me take you to them.
I can't. I just want them back. Please.
You'll be happier
Dobra.
where they are.
Kuźwa.
No!
God damn it!
Mitch! Mitch! No!
Kill who you have to! Take the rest!
Po co w nogę?
Now, go back! Follow them!
Jaki bezsens. Ała. Nice.
Kill that one, the girl. Fucking pointless. I told Lily you wouldn't cooperate.
Angie, the door! Rocket!
Your friend Lily ain't around this time, so we'll have a nice little chat. You and me. Alone.
Typ nie ma ręki, to raczej...
Fucking bitch!
W sumie teraz to nawet już obu.
I can't! Stay back!
Whenever I see someone like you, weak, small, afraid, and still alive, well, bet a lot of folks died to get you here.
Warto było zabawkę położyć.
Dibs.
Shit.
Damn it!
Chyba złamana.
Shit. This should be easy.
No kurde, dajesz.
Then do it already. Shoot me!
You're betting I won't.
I don't care. Just get it over with!
Ja pier... Kurwa! Sorry.
He cut our losses! Fall back! Pull in and fall back!
No! Kurde, jakieś lagi tu są przy tym strzelaniu. Dobra, bilans jest... walki jest okej.
Clem, I'm sorry for trusting her.
No, ten bombowiec zginął. Nerwariena porwali. I tego drugiego Turka też, czy tam Syryjczyka, czy kto to był.
We're going after them.
If we knew where to look, I'd smash down their walls myself. But we don't.
Well, we've got someone who does.
No to fajnie, to dzięki. Aha, nie mogę załadować, bo usprawiedliwiłem. Resztę sobie dopowiedzcie, bo niestety dalszych czyli można go było nie pojmać. Chyba. Next odcinek trzeba. No nie no, na co czekać? No nie będzie next odcinka. Chyba, że kiedyś tam może. Ale stan na dzień dzisiejszy jest taki, że nie. Będzie jak wyjdzie. No raczej nie wyjdzie, no. Podobno ma być. Wywróżone z fusów. Ciekawe, czy pokażę chociaż co w następnym miało być. A. Nie pokażę. A może nawet lepiej. No i to tyle. Koniec zabawy z TWD. Próbuję dogadać, no ale od próbuję dogadać do może będzie, a będzie, to na razie trzeba stwierdzić, że nie będzie. Także tyle. Dziękuję za uwagę na YouTubie. Jakby ktoś był zainteresowany, to ma wszystkie poprzednie odcinki też na kanale u mnie. I to tyle. Zapraszam na streamie Twitch TV Niklaus do podzielenia się swoimi gorzkimi opiniami na ten temat. Szkoda, bo ten epizod, ten sezon w ogóle się zapowiadał na jeden z fajniejszych. I tyle. Cięcie. A, to tu.